Good morning, dear students.
Good morning, sir.
Sir.
Good morning, sir.
Are you fine?
Yes,
Yes,
sir. Yes, sir. And how are you?
How are you, sir?
Yes,
How are you, sir?
I am also fine. There is too cold at my place. What about your places?
Here is also, sir. Cold, sir. Too cold.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. Sangeeta, are you hearing me?
Yes, sir.
Okay, how many were there in previous class?
Previous 46 or 50 around this, I think.
Only?
Yes, sir. Today number was less. I don't know.
What about yesterday?
Yesterday there were more, sir.
Oh,
around
so
30.
they started celebrating Magi.
Maybe.
Okay, let's move to our subject matter. Lastly, we were discussing about triangles. The same topic I have
Yes.
written here for you. We discussed about different type of triangle, scalene, isosceles, similarly equilateral triangle, acute angle triangle, obtuse angle triangle, as well as right angle triangle. And after that, we were discussing about the parallel lines, isn't it? So let's complete some
Excuse me,
terms.
sir.
Yes, please.
When our school will open, sir?
I can't say the fixed date, but
Some are saying 15 of this coming month.
yes, discussion is going on among the Mahavidyalayas as well as in
Good morning, sir.
Kalyankari board. Good morning. So maybe if it will start, we'll inform you a week before starting of school. At least a week before starting of our school. Okay.
Sir, and JR sir was talking about that form, filling form for 10 class. What, sir?
Nine as well as 10. You have to fill your registration form as well as 10 class have to fill exam form from 2 to 13. Mark 2 to 13.
For what purpose, sir? For exam?
That is for
For
registration
SE.
purpose. For 9 class it is for registration for SE, and for 10 class that is exam form.
Means our 9 class SCA.
Next year you are going to
Sorry,
give
Nadia.
SE.
It is for next year.
That is for next year. You have to register
For
your,
next year we have to prepare. For next year we have to prepare now, sir.
yes, of course you have to register your
Class 9 and
subjects.
10 course is based on SE.
Yes.
10 मा पढ्ने अप्सनल सब्जेक्टहरू अहिले नै मेन्सन गरेर त्यहाँ रेजिस्टर गरिसके हुनुपर्छ। त्यसको लागि रेजिस्ट्रेसन अहिले नै हुन्छ। अब स्कुल ओपन भएको भए असाढ श्रावणको महिनामा नै रेजिस्ट्रेसन फर्म फिलअप भइहाल्छ। स्कुल ओपन नभएको हुनाले अहिले भइरहेको हो।
Okay, sir. We have to come
Excuse me,
outside.
sir.
Physically you have to present there according to the notice. You have to present there physically from 2 to 13. माघ 2 देखि 13
of
भित्र
March.
भइसक्नु पर्ने छ है।
13.
From at what time, sir?
Mark 2 to 13.
माघ 2
Yeah,
to
but
13
in
at school
which
Official
time,
time?
that
time.
means
कति बजे के कति बजे?
10 to 4.
10 to 4, I think. 10 a.m. to 4 p.m.
6
Excuse
minutes.
me, sir.
Yes, please.
Students are compulsory, sir.
Yes. If you want to talk more, you can call to school's number, that is
GR sir was telling that we can consult the nearest friend
551195.
with documents.
Our office contact number is 551195. You can contact in that number, okay, for more
सर
detail.
त्यो लिस्टमा त सर हाम्रो 8 पास गरेको मार्कसिट पनि भनेको थियो तर त्यसमा थिएन हामीलाई त मिलेको छैन त्यो सर अहिलेसम्म We didn't
स्कुलमा गएर
get till
लिने
now.
दिएको
We have to
छैन
go to
भने
school.
स्कुलमै हुन्छ, स्कुलबाटै फोटोकपी गरेर त्यही सबमिट गर्ने, okay?
Okay, sir.
Okay, now as we were discussing about parallel lines last week, so some more topics I want to discuss about the parallel lines. So can you observe this new window?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So we were discussing about the parallel lines. यो प्यारलल लाइनहरु भनेको जसको दुईटा बीचको डिस्टेन्सहरु इक्वल हुन्छ. इफ ट्रान्सभर्सल intersects it, simply let's draw the ticks here. These two are alternate angles, isn't it?
Yes, sir. Alternate angle.
Alternate angles.
Alternate angle.
Similarly, these two are
Co-interior.
Co-interior angle.
co-interior angles. Similarly, these two are corresponding angle. Similarly, these two exterior alternate angles. भित्र भएपछि यहाँ र यहाँ भएको एंगलहरुलाई हामी alternate angle भन्छौं. यो बाहिर भएकोलाई these are called exterior alternate angles. Similarly, these two are called co-exterior angle. जस्तो यहाँ दुईटा भित्र भएको co-interior भन्थ्यौ भने यहाँ बाहिर भएको co-exterior angle हुन्छ. And all of you know about these vertically opposite angle. यहाँ भयो यो दुईटा vertically opposite angle भए. And again from another side, if we'll check from this side, यहाँ भएका पनि co-exterior angle भए. These are corresponding angle. यो दुईटा angles corresponding angles भए. त्यसै गरी यो भित्र भएका यिनीहरु पनि co-interior angles भए. Similarly, these two are called linear pairs. Straight line मा बनेका एंगलहरु linear pair, or we can say adjacent angles formed on straight line. So I think there is no confusion in it. These are just for revision purpose.
Yes, sir.
Now in chapter of triangles, we have to discuss about the different properties of triangle as well as the solution of angles as well as the sides. एउटा प्रोपर्टिजहरुको बारेमा डिस्कस गर्नुपर्ने छ ट्रायंगल को. नेक्स्टली द एंगल्स टु फाइन्ड आउट द अननोन एंगल्स, नदिएका एंगल्सहरुको भ्यालु. सिमिलरली values of sides which are not given to us. These things we have to calculate in this chapter. And for this, as you learned experimental verifications in grade 8 class मा experimental verification जो गरेका थियौ एक्जाम मा पनि आउँथ्यो. 4 marks को आउँथ्यो experimental verification हरु. हो त्यस्तै experimental verifications as well as theoretical proofs we have to complete here. And these are also for 4 marks for exam concern. exam को हामीले view of point ले हेर्यौ भने 4 marks को questions हरु theorem एउटा आउँछ, either experimental verification or theoretical proof. So for that we have to complete some theorems. Among those theorems, let's move to first theorem which we have to solve here is the sum of internal angles of triangle is equal to 180 degree, or we can say sum of interior angles of triangle is 180 degree, or we can say interior angles of triangle are supplementary. Supplementary means their sum is 180 degrees. That we have to prove at first. So question is clear, I think. कुनै पनि ट्रायंगल मा तीनवटा एंगलहरुको सम 180 डिग्री हुन्छ भनेको यो एंगल यहाँनिर भएको यो एंगल यो तीनटा एंगलहरुको सम 180 डिग्री हुन्छ भने हो. These three ticked angles, their sum is 180 degree. This we have to prove theoretically. Okay. So this is one triangle given to us where 3 points or 3 vertices of triangle are A, B and C, and we have to prove angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degree. For its theoretical proof, at first we have to write given things. So what you are observing on this figure, यो figure मा के कुराहरु देखिदैछ? This is one triangle ABC with 3 angles. One is angle BAC, another is angle ABC, another is angle ACB. There are 3 angles in one triangle that we are observing, and same thing we have to write here in given. त्यही कुरालाई लेख्ने हो. In triangle ABC there are 3 angles which are angle ABC, angle ACB and angle BAC. This is given to us. And next thing is we have to prove sum of these 3 angles. That means this is angle B, your angle C, this one, angle A, this one, sum of all these three angle is 180 degree. This we have to prove, and its proof is given in your book also. Book ma pani euta method दिएको छ. You may try that method, and but I solve here by another method, that is, let us draw xy parallel to BC. यो point A भएर pass हुने. Through this point A, I have constructed here line xy. This is line xy. This point is x and this one is y. So this is the line xy which is parallel to BC. Up to now, up to construction, do you have any problem?
No,
No,
sir.
एउटा triangle. Okay, then it's okay. There is a triangle and we constructed parallel line to the base. Base सँग parallel हुने गरी line construct गर्यौं. Now to prove these three angles are 180 degree, we have to use properties of triangle as well as properties of parallel lines, these things. So at first, check XAB, this angle. This is alternate angle of angle ABC, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
दुईटा टिक गरेको एंगलहरु अल्टरनेट एंगल हुन्. त्यसै गरी यतापट्टि डबल टिक्ड, यो डबल टिक गरेका एंगलहरु पनि के हुन् त? Alternate angles. Angle YAC and angle ACB are also alternate angles. So we can say XAB is equal to ABC. Similarly, YAC is equal to ACB. यो दुईटा एंगललाई इक्वल लेख्न पाइन्छ, यो दुईटा एंगललाई पनि इक्वल लेख्न पाइन्छ.
Yes.
This is because we know alternate angles are equal. Now, we know another thing also. Sum of angles on straight line is 180 degree. एउटा स्ट्रेट लाइनमा भएका तीनवटा एंगलहरु XAB, BAC, यो माथिको स्ट्रेट लाइन है, हामी तलको हेर्दै छैनौं. We are looking at this dotted line. In this dotted line, sum of three angles. एउटा एंगल के छ त? XAB. Another angle BAC. Next one CAY or YAC. Sum of these three angles is 180 degree. This is the another thing which we know. त्यो हामीलाई थाहा छ. And after that, in place of this single ticked angle, यो single tick गरेको angle को ठाउँमा यतापट्टि single tick गरेको angle ABC हामीले पुट गर्दियौं र त्यसैगरी डबल टिक गरेको यो एंगल को ठाउँमा एंगल ACB पुट गर्दियौं भने we will get the required answer. Required value to prove. Prove गर्नुपर्ने value easily आउँछ. So this much we have to do here in this theorem 1. We have to construct the table for it with statement as well as regions. We have to write some statements to left side and then regions to right side. Left ma statement हुने भयो, right ma region हुने भयो. Why we have written this statement? So this type of table we have to construct in theoretical proof of any theorem. So at first, as I said to you, भर्खर मात्रै हामीले डिस्कस गर्यौं. यहाँनिरको यो एंगल XAB र एंगल ABC, यो दुईटाहरु इक्वल हुन्छ भन्यौ. Why we said these two are equal?
They are alternate angles.
Alternate angles. So angle XAB is equal to angle ABC. XAB is equal to ABC. Similarly, angle YAC, this one is equal to angle ACB. This is because these are alternate angles and alternate angles are equal to each other. Is this statement first is clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, it is similar to talk of the persons, or we can say these lawyers in the court. कोर्टमा लयरले केही कुरा भन्ने बित्तिकै त्यसको रिजन पनि दिनुपर्छ. त्यस्तै कुरा हो यो स्टेटमेन्ट र रिजन. Without any evidence, lawyer can't say any statement inside the court. कुनै कुरामा फैसला हुँदैछ भने स्टेटमेन्ट दिने बित्तिकै त्यो स्टेटमेन्टको एभिडेन्स पनि दिनुपर्छ. त्यस्तै यहाँ रिजन दिनुपर्छ हामीले. We must write the reason here for every statement. For these two statements, XAB is equal to ABC. Region is alternate angles are equal. Similarly, YAC is equal to ACB. For this also region is alternate angles are equal. Now another thing already I stated to you. एकछिन अगाडि डिस्कस गर्यौं. यो तीनटा एंगल्स. You are observing my mouse cursor. एउटा एंगल यहाँ छ, अर्को एंगल यहाँनिर सेन्टरमा छ, त्यसपछि अर्को राइट साइडतिर छ. Sum of these all three angles is 180 degree, because these are the angles which are formed on straight line. These are three angles formed on straight line, and sum of angles on straight line is always 180 degree, because line is measured as 180 degree in protractor, or that is the straight angle. Now in place of this XAB, यो XAB भएको ठाउँमा XAB, in place of XAB we can put what? We can put ABC. XAB को ठाउँमा ABC राख्न पाइयो. त्यसैगरी in place of YAC we can put ACB, because it is stated in statement number 1. Statement number 1 मा हामीले ABC कोसँग इक्वल हुन्छ भनेको छौं XAB सँग. त्यसैगरी ACB कोसँग इक्वल हुन्छ भनेको छौं YAC सँग. If we stated these, because of these are alternate angle, we can replace their value by ABC and ACB also. XAB को value ABC ले replace गर्न पाइन्छ, YAC को value ACB ले replace गर्न पाइन्छ, because these two are equal to each other. Okay, so replace these values by XAB by ABC and YAC by ACB. From statement 1 and 2 we can get this one. So this is the region for this third statement. Third statement को region के भयो? Statement 1 र 2 लाई हामीले combine गर्यौं. XAB को value ABC लेख्यौं, YAC को value ACB लेख्यौं. त्यसपछि यो यस्तो भयो. And we have to prove the same thing. Look at this one. We have to prove ABC plus ACB plus BAC is equal to 180 degree. We have to prove same thing. So it is proved for us. Is this clear to you all?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
If it is not clear, you may tell it to me. I will repeat. Anyone, if you have problem. So that means there is no problem. If there is no problem, let's move to next theorem. And remember this theorem completely. There is another method in your book. यहाँबाट यो लाइनलाई BC लाई यता प्रोड्युस गरेर अर्को प्यारलल लाइन यसरी कन्स्ट्रक्ट गरेको छ. AB सँग प्यारलल हुने गरी C बाट यसरी कन्स्ट्रक्ट गरेर अर्को तरिकाले सल्भ गरिदिएको छ. You may check that method also. Whichever you think it is easier for you, you may use that method. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So let's move to next theorem, theorem 2. The exterior angle of triangle is equal to sum of opposite interior angles. Sum of two opposite interior angles. So this is our theorem number 2. Do you know meaning of this one? इसको meaning बुझियो कि बुझिएन? So just check this figure. This is triangle ABC. This triangle is given to us. And question is, the exterior angle of triangle is equal to sum of two opposite interior angle. त्यसको लागि एउटा exterior angle बन्नु पर्यो. This is our exterior angle. यो बाहिरपट्टि बनेको angle. This angle. This is exterior angle. यहाँनिर जुन red mark arrow देखियो, this is exterior angle. And this exterior angle is equal to sum of these two opposite interior angle. यो exterior angle को opposite मा भएका दुईवटा interior angle हरु, their sum is equal to exterior the single angle. बाहिरपट्टि बनेको angle ABD, भित्रपट्टि बनेको एंगल ए र एंगल सी सँग इक्वल हुन्छ भनेर हामीले प्रुभ गर्नुपर्ने हो. नाउ इट इज क्लियर or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. It's clear.
Okay, if it is clear, let's move to given things. Given things are, you may observe this figure and you may tell it what is given to us. There is triangle ABC and side BC is produced up to D.
D.
It is produced up to D. This one is exterior angle. Angle A as well as angle C are two opposite interior angles. This is given to us. Okay. The same thing I have written here. Triangle ABC is triangle whose side BC is produced to the point D. यो BC side लाई point D सम्म produce गरेको छ. Same straight line is produced up to D. अगाडि बढाएको छ. And angle ABD. ABD. This is exterior angle as well as BAC. You can observe this one BAC. That means this angle, angle A, angle ACB. ACB. This one. These two are opposite interior angles. यसको opposite मा भएका यी दुईटा interior angle हुन्. Angle A and angle C. That is given to us. And we have to prove angle BAC plus angle ACB is equal to ABD. यहाँनिरको BAC angle यो plus this one, sum of these two is equal to this one. यो भित्रको दुईटा एंगलहरुको सम यो एक्सटेरियर एंगल सँग इक्वल हुन्छ, ABD सँग इक्वल हुन्छ भनेर प्रुभ गर्नुपर्ने छ. So for that again we have to write the table with proof, statements and reasons. यसको proof को लागि, that means for proving it we have to write table with statements and reasons. So first thing is, as in theorem 1, we learned that sum of interior angles of triangle is 180 degree. 180 degree हुन्छ भनेर पढ्यौ. त्यही कुरालाई हामीले फर्स्टमा लेख्नु पर्ने छ, यो तीनवटा समको. सो बिफोर स्टार्टिङ इट लेट अस डिस्कस हाउ टु प्रुभ इट. यो डिस्कस गर्नुपर्ने कुरा के रह्यो भने यहाँनिरको तीनवटा एंगलहरुको सम, एंगल A, that means angle BAC, next one angle ACB, this one, and similarly angle ABC. These three, sum of these three angle is 180 degree. This is our first statement. First मा त्यो कुरा हामीले लेख्नु पर्यो. Secondly, let me star here. Angle ABD. ABD यतापट्टि बनेको एंगल र एंगल ABC भित्रपट्टि बनेको एंगल. Check these two starred angle. All of you look at these two. यो बाहिर बनेको एंगल र भित्र बनेको एंगल. What type of angles are these two?
Angle in a straight line.
Angle on straight line, or we can say these are adjacent angles on a straight line, or we can say these are linear pair. So their sum is 180 degree. यो दुईटाको सम 180 हुन्छ. एकछिन अगाडि मात्र हामीले के भनेका छौं? What we said? Sum of angle A, angle C as well as angle B, their sum is 180. टिक लगाएका एंगलहरुको सम 180 हुन्छ भनेका छौं. अहिले भर्खरै हामीले के भन्यौ? स्टार लगाएका एंगलहरुको सम पनि 180 हुन्छ. That means sum of these three angle is equal to sum of these two angles. यो तीनटा एंगलहरुको सम र यो दुईटा एंगलको सम त इक्वल हुँदो रहेछ नि.
Yes, sir.
So we can equate these two. यो दुईटा स्टार लागेका एंगलहरु यो तीनटा टिक लागेका एंगलहरुसँग इक्वल गर्न पाइन्छ. Then we will get this result easily. Okay. So now, sorry. let's move to its statement. First statement is same. I said sum of these three angles of triangle is equal to 180 degree. Angle ABC plus angle BAC plus angle ACB is equal to 180 degree. And its reason is sum of interior angles of triangle. This is the reason for first statement. Angle ABC, this one, angle ACB, this one, and angle BAC, this upper one. यो तीनटा angle add गरेर 180 हुन्छ. So its simple reason is sum of interior angles of triangle is 180 degree. After this second one, sum of angles on a straight line or linear pair, that is also 180 degree. Angle ABC, this one, यतापट्टिको angle, plus angle ABD, this one, is equal to 180 degree. Its reason is sum of angles on a straight line, or simply you can write linear pair. These two are linear pair. Sum of linear pair is always 180. Is there any confusion in this one?
No, sir.
No, if there is no confusion, now combine these two. यो दुईटालाई 180 180 दुईटै इक्वल भएको हुनाले फर्स्ट स्टेटमेन्टमा भएको तीनवटा एंगलहरु सेकेन्ड स्टेटमेन्टमा भएको दुईटा एंगलसँग इक्वल हुन्छ. एंगल ABC प्लस एंगल BAC प्लस एंगल ACB is equal to angle ABC plus ABD. Now look at both sides of is equal to को दुईटै साइड तिर हेर. Here is angle ABC as well as to left side also there is angle ABC. Right side or left side दुईटैतिर ABC छ. So cancel out these both. This statement 3 is taken from statement 1 and 2. So that is the reason. Don't forget to write the reason. Now cancel out this ABC, or simply you may understand this as like if ABC is taken to right side, यसलाई राइट मा ल्यायो भने ABC लाई यतातिर ल्यायो भने के हुन्छ? माइनस हुन्छ, isn't it? यता प्लस भएको भ्यालु राइट साइड में ल्याएपछि माइनस हुने हो. माइनस भयो भने त obviously cancel हुन्छ. So we may cancel it. If ABC and ABC are cancelled, what is remaining here? Check it.
Angle BAC plus angle ACB equals
AC
to
plus
angle
ACB
ABD.
and is equal to ABD. Same thing
Yes,
we have
sir.
to prove. BAC plus ACB is equal to ABD. This is proved here from statement 3 by cancelling ABC and ABC. This is the proof. And another thing you have to remember here is these all processes are necessary for the 4 marks. अब यो exam point of view ले हेरौं. पहिला त बुझ्ने कुरा आयो. Did you understand this one?
Yes, sir. We understood.
Okay, if you understand this one, next thing is
Yes, sir.
from starting from given. You given देखि लिएर figures, given figure and to prove. Out of 4 marks, this portion is for 1 marks only. यो फर्स्ट यो माथिको पोर्सन कतिको लागि हो?
1 marks.
1 marks. And next this table is for 2 marks.
3 marks.
2. 1 is for given to prove and figure. Next table is for
2 marks.
2. And where is 1 marks? 3 मात्रै भयो त, एउटा कहाँ गयो? Look at this word. What is written here?
Proved.
Oh, यसको 1 marks हुन्छ. So never forget to write proved at last. Did you get what I told to you?
Yes, sir.
First step यसको 1 marks हुन्छ, 2 marks यो टेबल को हुन्छ र 1 marks यो proved को हुन्छ. Exam point of view ले हेर्ने हो भने. And अर्को कुरा सिधै proved लेख्यो भने 1 marks आउला, बाँकी आएन भने भनेर नसोच्नु. Don't think in that way. These marks are allocated for the steps from first step to last step. If previous step is done, then only you will get the marks of next step. पछिल्लो स्टेप गरेको छ भने यो स्टेपको मार्क्स पाइन्छ. जस्तो यो गिभन टु प्रुभ र फिगर नबनाइकन टेबल बनाएको छ भने मार्क्स पाइँदैन. Marks for
Yes,
this
sir.
step is given after, if it is solved after previous step. If previous step is not done, you will not get the marks for this step. Okay. Okay, this is just the information of marks scheme for the exam. Okay. So if again there is confusion in it, you may ask to me. If there is no confusion, let's move to next theorem. Generally class ma euta duita theorem सकिन्छ. We may finish more theorems in online class because we have 3 classes only in a week.
3 minutes. 3 minutes.
3 minutes maybe we will able to finish. Then also if not able to finish, let's discuss about it. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, third theorem is the base angles of isosceles triangle are equal. All of you know this factor. कुनै पनि आइसोसेलेस ट्रायंगलको दुईटा एंगल्सहरु बेस एंगल्सहरु इक्वल हुन्छ भन्ने सबैलाई थाहा छ. All of you know and you are using this reason from the 7th class or 6th class. त्यहाँदेखि भन्दै आइरा छौ दुईटा एंगल्सहरु बेस एंगल्स आइसोसेलेस ट्रायंगलको बेस एंगल्सहरु इक्वल हुन्छ भनेर. But here we are going to prove it. If it is triangle ABC and if it is isosceles, that means two sides are equal. Meaning of isosceles यही हो. AB equal to AC हुनु पर्यो. कुनै दुईटा साइड्सहरु इक्वल हुनु पर्यो. In this triangle, we have to prove this angle B is equal to angle C. Angle B र angle C equal हुन्छ भनेर हामीले प्रुभ गर्नुपर्ने छ. Okay. So to prove it, angle B is equal to angle C, one construction is needed to us, that is we have to construct line from A to BC, and that is the perpendicular line. So before this, let's write the given things. Let's discuss about the given things. Given things are same as I stated here. In triangle ABC, AB is equal to AC because this is isosceles triangle. If AB is equal to AC, we have to prove angle ABC is equal to angle ACB. यो दुईटा एंगलहरु इक्वल हुन्छ, एंगल B र एंगल C इक्वल हुन्छ भनेर प्रुभ गर्नुपर्ने छ. And one construction is needed here that we have to write. It is necessary to write the construction if it is needed in figure. प्रुभ गर्दा फिगरमा कन्स्ट्रक्सन चाहिएको छ भने यहाँनिर लेख्नै पर्छ, त्यतिकै कन्स्ट्रक्ट गर्ने हुँदैन. And what construction we did here? We did the construction from A to the BC which is perpendicular to BC. AD भन्ने एउटा लाइन कन्स्ट्रक्ट गर्यो जुन BC सँग परपेंडिकुलर छ. Okay, remaining part of this theorem we'll discuss tomorrow. If you think you can do it, you may try it. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, then thank you very much.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir, for teaching us.
Enjoy your day. Join your next class and be ready for
Bye-bye, sir.
tomorrow's mathematics class. Bye. Have a good day.
Bye bye, sir.
Bye bye, sir.
Have a nice day. Bye-bye, sir.